Some people are gonna think that I'm crazy, but I don't care. All that matters to me is Isaiah.
Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like go y'all. G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go, go. Drop that ass to the floor. You ain't gotta do it on these niggas, no. I've been in feelings, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride, babe? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of faith. But let me tell you, I like you a lot of faith. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, babe. Now you want to shoot with the red at the bottom, babe. You know I like when you're right at the top.
Hey y'all, welcome back to another Vloggyanaaaa. We are currently in Miami because it's my sister's, my sissy, not my sister, who's my sister? It's my sissy's birthday, so we out in Miami. Last night we had a time. Where did we go? What was the office? Well, we went to, what was the first place we went to? Playa. And then we went to the office and then Booby Trap. You hear by the voice. It's gone. It's hanging on. We need water. Wow, what SpongeBob said? Water! But we're on our way to this drag brunch. I'm so excited because I never did a drag brunch before. I've always wanted to do this. Now this is perfect timing to go with my sister for our birthday. So we booked the drag brunch. We're on our way there now. We got baby mom and sister-in-law with us. Sister-in-law is so happy. She's like, look y'all, I was not gonna vlog this Miami trip, but sister-in-law wasn't with us in Turks, so she was like, the video was so nice. She was like, it was so nice. She was like, y'all was just missing one thing, like y'all was just missing something. We like, girl, what? She's like, me. I'm like, girl. So she was like, you have to vlog this Miami trip, because every time we come to Miami we have a time. So I'm just gonna do a little vlog for y'all in Miami, just celebrating my sister. So come.
Irish and what? What?
Ukrainian, Italian,
Irish,
yes.
Ukrainian, and what else?
Black, white.
Black, white. Well, you don't have enough Irish in you.
I do. Let's go shop for shop, baby.
That liver will be able to hold on. Just saying. It's okay, girl. You're still beautiful. And you made it. Ladies and gentlemen, y'all ready for another show? Viral season. For the Palace crew to show you what they can do. Are you ready for the Palace crew? DJ Jas Riptai. Make it door. What a door.
The Palace crew.
Just high, for my 45, don't get out of line. Yeah. Ooh, 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 pick a side. Only double lines we cross is dollar signs. Yeah. Ooh, 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 hold up, wait. I hear you just got paid, make it rain. Energy, she more cake, he more Central Pay. Be waving the room, the crowd gon' move. Look around, everybody on me.
On stop mode, that force on page vogue, no pause, chat too much, bro, dip on load, that's that Kodak, energy, 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 energy. He was on stop mode, that force on page vogue, no pause, chat too much, bro, dip on load, that's that Kodak, energy, energy, energy.
Totally rockin' up, you know that we do it grinding. You know that I'm gon' be extra. When the camera go pop, 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 keep 'em waiting like that, 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 that. Ooh la la la, that's the way them boys sound when I walk through the black, black, black. Didn't I Uzi that doozy? Shot, shot, shot. Minding our business, popping our pain and champagne through the ceiling, flipping it up, flicking it up. All this good energy got you all in your feelings, feelings. I'm crazy, I'm swearing, I'm daring, your man staring. I just entered the country with derringers, cause them Karens just turned into terrorists.
All right, y'all, so we made it back to the Airbnb, y'all. The drag brunch was a 10 out of 10. I can't believe I've been to Miami so many times and I never in my life went to the freaking drag brunch. Like, you have to go. Like, it's a must. Like, it's 10 out of 10 for real. It was so much fun. Like, the energy, the vibes, everything. The only thing that wasn't good was the food. The food wasn't good, but I don't like the Miami Strip, period, because I feel like the food is disgusting. I feel like it's young kids. I don't know. I just don't like it. It's not my type of vibe. But we're back at the Airbnb. I'm gonna show you all the Airbnb. It is a little messy because we were drunk last night and eating, and yeah, but it's super cute. We're staying at the Icon. This is my second time staying here because I love the spa here in the pool, in the views, y'all. The views crazy. Like, look, like you get to see all the boats and the highway, and it's just so pretty at night. Get into my Trency dress. I look a little ran through because baby, it was hot out there today, but it's so cute. Make sure you cop. My voice is still cracking, but I'm gonna give y'all a little tour of the Airbnb, and then I'm gonna take a nap. I want to go to the pool, but I'm so tired and I'm so hot and exhausted, so I'm about to take a nap, and then I don't know what we're doing tonight, but we're gonna figure that out as well. So Let's get into the B&B. Okay, so boom, when you walk in, we have a room right here, and it leads out to the balcony. And then, the hallway. This is their bedroom. It's a little bedroom. And then the living room. Y'all, the views are insane, okay? Beautiful. The balcony also opens up out here. We have the kitchen. Get into the views. You see the bridge, the boats. And then here is my room. The views in this freaking room. I love it. Makes me want to move to Miami and wake up to these views every day. And then you have the bathroom. So cute. So freaking cute. All right, y'all. So that is the Airbnb. Like I said, I'm about to lay down and take a nap. You can hear about my voice. Told y'all earlier, it's gone, baby. It's almost gone. So I'm about to rest up. And we gotta figure out what club we going to tonight. But now, baby, I'm taking a nap, and I will see y'all later on tonight.
Bitch, give a fuck about a nigga. Big Birkin bag, hold 5-6 figures. Stripes on my ass, so he call his pussy tigger. Fucking on a scamming ass, rich ass nigga. Same group of bitches, ain't no ass to the picture. Drop a couple racks, watch his ass get thicker. Tricking on licking, I'm looking at your nigga. If it's money right, you can eat it like a sticker. I ain't got time for this fake ass hoes. Talking all loud in them fake ass clothes. Fake ass shoes, make that fake ass cold. I'm the realest bitch ever see snake ass hoes. Act up, you can get snatched up. Act up, you can get snatched up. Act up, you can get snatched up. Dirty ass ass, baby girl, you need to back up. It's your Miami and I can't run my skate up. Tired ass hoes in my page tryna check up. Brand new chain, city girls going platinum. I keep a baby God, I ain't fighting with no random period. You bitches weak, it's just serious. I let him taste the pussy, now he acting all delirious. See the dash in the rubber like it's fake the furious. You see my number in his phone, now you acting curious. He gon' buy me Gucci if I ask for it. He'll take a nigga walking tongue for it. I bet your little sister wanna look like me. I bet your little brother wanna fuck on me. Hood bitch, hood pussy, I ain't average. He can't come around without that cabbage. Pop a pussy bitch quick like a bubble gum. I ain't never worry, I just do it for fun. Act up, you can get snatched up. Act up, you can get snatched up. Act up, you can get snatched up. Dirty ass ass, baby girl, you need to back up. Act up, you can get snatched up. Act up, you can get snatched up. Act up, you can get snatched up. Dirty ass ass, baby girl, you need to back up. Act up, you can get snatched up. Act up, you can get snatched up. Act up, you can get snatched up. Dirty ass ass, baby girl, you need to back up.
Are you alive?
I'm alive.
It was the drunkest. Who was the drunkest tonight? Gina always the drunkest when we drink.
No, I'm not.
Who was the drunkest tonight?
We was having
Neil, she trying to act like she
I'm
Girl,
barely. She
mouth was
trying
just wide open.
Yeah, try a little harder.
I am up.
Like a this nigga you took out don't mean you up. They said don't forget the ladies.
Party hard, party hard, party hard, party hard. Let's go.
Don't rush me. Y'all know I just woke up. Y'all should have came in here and woke me up. Hey y'all, good morning. So it's the next day. It's a Saturday. And But we all just woke up. The club was uptime last night. We're about to go to the pool. I have a massage appointment at 1. So it's like 12 now. I'm about to go to the pool and then get my massage. And then I have a surprise for my sister at 4 o'clock. So she been wanting to get a yacht for her birthday. So little big sister, you know. So that's at 4. Like I said, for right now, we're about to go to the pool, go to the spa, and then probably get some food or something until 4 o'clock. So let's go.
Cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always wanted to, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not bad. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hit me up when you make it. Try and come back when you're famous. I always wanted to, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop.
Alright y'all, so I made it back from the spa, y'all. I don't know if I've ever stayed here before, but this is like the best spa that I've ever been to. This is my second time going to the spa here at the Icon. So if you've never been, make sure you go. Like, it really is so relaxing. It's so beautiful. Like, it's the most beautiful spot. Between this spot and Soho, I even think this spot is better. So real quick, we're just getting dressed. We're gonna have to just stop anywhere and grab food because it's like 2:30 now and we have to be at the doctor place at 3:30. So I'm just gonna grab food real quick and then I'll see y'all on the yacht. So you ready to get on your boat? We're getting on a boat? Yeah. Nuh-uh. What? It's the docking part. I was wondering like where y'all doing? I said she's going to ask where are we going. This is not the way to the beach. Yeah, I was literally sitting here thinking like, where are we going? Because why are we leaving from? I knew she was going to ask. That's why I'm like, let me hurry up and say something because I know she about to say where the hell is we at. I'm gonna get off the bed.
And we all look good as fuck. She said she my eye, but I don't know her. Had to look her up. I know that I'm rich, but I can help it. Bitch, I'm hood as fuck. I've been on these bitches' necks so long, sometimes I fucking stuck. I can put you in my business. You might wish me dead tomorrow. Bitches be on dick today, sing every word of up tomorrow. Bitch, I still got cases open. Keep your mouth shut tomorrow. Stay with me today, then get some sleep. You know it's up tomorrow. Fake bitch, that's why my friend fucked on your nigga. Both you bitches pussy, I think y'all should scissor. She bought a chain, I bought the same one, even bigger. She throwing shots, that's how I know I got a trigger. I don't speak dog ho, I don't care what no bitch say. I stay on her mind, I got condos in that bitch head. She said she don't fuck with me. Who say that you can't hold? That nigga munching, he gon' eat me like a mango. Long ass week, it be tickling my ass crack. Wonder what I do tomorrow that these hoes will be mad at. Oh yeah, bitches sweet, and I always get my lick boo. I thought for my bitches and I'm fighting over dick too.
Can't say your name up in my songs, might not fuck with you tomorrow. Can get my feelings hurt today, I won't give a fuck tomorrow. Ain't fucked up by no credit score, I might be rich as fuck tomorrow. Every day the sun won't shine, but that's why I love tomorrow. Can't say your name up in my songs, might not fuck with you tomorrow. Can get my feelings hurt today, I won't give a fuck tomorrow. Ain't fucked up by no credit score, I might be rich as fuck tomorrow. Every day the sun won't shine, but that's why I love tomorrow. Poppin' shit, you would think I went to school for chiropractic. Looking good as hell today, just sent my nigga 5 attachments. Why'd you come from me about a nigga, man? You bitch about that. Come at me about niggas who I don't even find attractive. I don't know that nigga, I just seen them on the town before. I can't be up in her face, I took her nigga down before. When I lose a nigga, I just pop out and go find some more. Soon as I feel like my time get wasted, then it's time to go. They say they don't fuck with me, but I say they can't fuck with me. Just like the air, I'm everywhere. How you say it so with me? Them bitches should've stayed down. They could've been up with me, but all they doing is talking down, cause they can't get up with me. My ex fucking on my old friend, both they ass some fucking clowns. Thinking that she got one up on me, she got my hammer down. Thought he wasn't gon' have to stand on shit like he was handicapped. Made that nigga stand on it, now his ass can't stand me now. High as fuck, I'm lit, yup, I don't smoke no two shots. Flying with my gang and them, look at them like sisters. Bitches be lame, they go outside about these niggas. I don't wanna hang with them, they don't have no business. They be going for anything, but I can't go for none of that. Why would I go chase you if I know you gon' come running back? Cut everybody off, they been feeling like a lumberjack. They really get me fucked up, and now I'm going for none of that. She the type that nigga make her mad, she going too soon. Me, I'm kinda ratchet still, so I'm the type to be strong. I can't love you, baby, like your bitch do, so don't leave her. He gon' choose her every time, cause it's cheap for the keep her. Can't say your name up in my songs, might not fuck with you tomorrow. Can get my feelings hurt today, I won't give a fuck tomorrow. Ain't fucked up by no credit score, I might be rich as fuck tomorrow. Every day the sun won't shine, but that's why I love tomorrow.
All right, y'all, so as you can see, I am back home, and it has been a long day. Oh my god. So after the boat yesterday, we didn't do anything. Well, I didn't do anything. I went back to the room and went to sleep, baby. I was so tired and so freaking exhausted, so I just went to bed. The other girls, they like walked the strip or something like that, or walked around like the area that we were in. They had a flight at like 6 in the morning, so, and they flew from Fort Lauderdale, so yeah, baby, it just wasn't adding up to go out, because every single night we was getting in at 5 o'clock in the morning, so yeah, it was giving y'all gonna miss your flight if y'all end up going out. So we just went to bed, really, and then I woke up, went to one of my favorite restaurants in Atlanta and got some breakfast. And then when I got to the airport, I found out that my flight was freaking delayed for 3.5 hours. So I left the airport and I went to Victory and just, you know, got a bottle and caught a vibe until it was time to go back to the airport. And now I'm home and it's like midnight and I'm so tired and I'm ready for bed. So that's the end of this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching and making it this far. I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, bye.